Welcome to the ultimate Google Search Console tutorial for 2023. It's perfect for both beginners and pros. This video is your comprehensive guide to mastering one of the most powerful tools in SEO. We're diving deep into every nook and cranny of Google Search Console, from setting up your account, way easier than it sounds, to navigate the maze of analytics. We've got you covered. This isn't just another dry tutorial. We are here to make SEO fun and accessible, so buckle up for a learning journey that's as enjoyable as it's educational. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful SEO content. And don't forget to drop your question down below. Effortless account setup. No tech degree required. Setting up your Google Search Console account might seem like it requires a tech degree, but fear not. It's actually quite straightforward. Let's break it down into simple steps so you can get started without any hassle. Step 1. Sign in to Google Search Console. First things first, you need a Google account. If you already have one, perhaps the one you use for Gmail or YouTube, you're good to go. If not, it's time to create one. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once your Google account is ready, head over to Google Search Console website and sign in with your Google account credentials. Step 2. Add your website upon signing in. You'll be greeted with a welcome message and in a prompt to add your website into Google Search Console. In Google Search Console lingo, a property is essential for your website. There are two types of properties you can add: domain and URL prefix. Domain property. This includes all URL across all subdomains and protocols: HTTP, HTTPS, www, and non-www, and etc. To add a domain property, you need to verify ownership through your domain register. This might sound technical, but it's just a matter of copying and pasting a text record. URL prefix property. If you want to verify a specific URL, for example this URL, this option is for you. It's a bit simpler and offers several verification methods, including uploading an HTML file to your site, adding an HTML tag to your homepage, using your Google Analytics account, or using your tag manager. Verification is a crucial step because it proves to Google that you are the rightful owner or manager of a website. This step varies slightly depending on whether you choose a domain or URL prefix property. For domain verification, you'll need to add a DNS record to your domain's configuration. This might involve logging into your domain registrar website and pasting a TXT record into your DNS settings. For URL prefix verification, you can choose one of the methods mentioned earlier. The HTML file upload method, for example, involves downloading a small HTML file from Google and then uploading it to the root of your website. Explore the dashboard once your site is verified. You'll have access to the Google Search Console dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see an overview of your site performance, including metrics like total clicks, total impressions, and average position in search results. Start exploring tools and reports. Google Search Console is packed with tools and reports that can help you understand your website performance in Google Search. From the performance report to coverage report, each provides valuable insights into how your site is doing and what you can do to improve its presence in search results. Navigating the dashboard like a pro, even if you're not. Congratulations on setting up your Google Search Console account. Now, let's navigate the dashboard like a pro. The dashboard is your comment center, providing a wealth of data about your website performance in Google Search. Here is how to make the most of it, even if you are new to this. Understanding the overview page. When you first log into Google Search Console, you will land on an overview page. This page gives you a snapshot of your website performance, including performance summary. Shows how often your site appears in Google search results, including total clicks, total impressions, average click-through rate, and average position. Coverage summary highlights issues that might prevent your site from appearing in search results, like crawl errors or pages with no index tag. Mobile usability report indicates if there are any issues with how your site appears on mobile devices. Diving into the performance report. The performance report is where the magic happens. It provides detailed insights into how your site performs in search results. Here's what you can find. Queries. Discover which search terms bring users to your site. This can help you understand what your audience is looking for and how well your content meets their needs. Pages. See which pages on your site get the most traffic from Google search. This helps you identify your star performance and pages that might need more love. Countries. Find out where your audience is coming from. This is crucial if you are targeting a specific geographic markets. Devices. Understand whether users are finding you through mobile, desktop, or tablet. This can inform your design and content strategy. Exploring the coverage report. The coverage report is essential for website health. It shows the index status of all pages on your site and categorizes them into errors, valid with warnings, valid, and excluded. Pay special attention to errors, as these are issues you'll want to address promptly to ensure your site is fully indexed. Using the URL inspection tool. The URL inspection tool is your go-to for troubleshooting individual pages. Just enter a URL, and Google Search Console will provide detailed crawl, index, and serving information about that page. It's useful if you've updated the page and want to see if the changes are reflected on Google Search. Mobile Usability Report. With the increasing importance of mobile browsing, this report is a goldmine. It identifies pages on your site that aren't mobile friendly and provides specific issues like text too small to read or clickable, elements too close together, and etc. Deciphering reports. Less confusing than your last phone bill. Navigating through Google Search Console reports might initially seem as daunting as trying to understand your phone bill, but it's actually more straightforward and rewarding. Let's dive into the key reports and what they can tell you about your website's performance in Google Search. Performance report, your SEO scorecard. The performance report is like a scorecard of your website's SEO health. It provides a wealth of data about how your site performs in Google search results. Here's what you can glean from it. Queries. This section shows the keywords that users type into Google to find your site. It's a goldmine for understanding what your audience is looking for and how well your content aligns with those needs. Pages. Here, you'll see which specific pages on your site are getting the most traffic. This insight is invaluable for understanding which of your content is more valuable for your audience. Countries. This breaks down your site's traffic by country, offering valuable insights if you are targeting specific geographic markets or looking to expand into new ones. Devices. This tells you whether users are finding your site through mobiles, desktop, or tablets. In today's mobile-first world, understanding this can help you tailor your content and design a strategy. Search appearance. This section shows how your search results look with features like rich results, AMP pages, or snippets. It's crucial for understanding how your content appears in search and how it can be optimized. Dates. Analyze traffic trends over time. This can help you understand the impact of specific content strategies or external factors like seasonality or current events. Coverage report. The health checkup of your site. Think of the coverage report as a health checkup of your site. It shows the index status of all pages on your site, categorized into error, valid with warnings, valid, and excluded. Errors. These are critical issues that prevent pages from appearing in search results. Common errors include server errors, redirect errors, or pages blocked by robots.txt. Valid with warnings. These pages are indexed, but have issues that might impact their performance in search results. Addressing these warnings can improve your site's overall health. Valid. These are pages that are successfully indexed and have no detected issues. This is where you want most of your pages to be. Excluded. These are pages that haven't been indexed, often intentionally, like pages with no index tag, or due to other reasons like being duplicates or non-canonical pages. The URL inspection tool is akin to a diagnostic tool for individual pages. It provides detailed information about the indexed version of a specific page. Here's what you can do with it. Inspect any URL. Check whether a page is indexed and see the last crawl date, the canonical URL, any detected issues, and more. Request indexing. If you have updated a page or fixed an issue, use this feature to ask Google to recrawl or reindex the page. View rendered page. This shows how Googlebot sees the page, which can be different from what users see, especially for JavaScript-heavy websites. Mobile usability report. Ensuring mobile friendliness. With the majority of web traffic coming from mobile devices, the mobile usability report is crucial. It identifies pages on your site that aren't mobile friendly and lists specific issues, like text too small to read or clickable elements too close together. Links report. Understanding your site's link ecosystem. The links report provides insights into how other sites link to yours and how your content is interconnected. It includes external links. These are links from other websites to yours. They are vital for SEO as they are a key ranking factor for Google. Internal links. These are links from one page on your site to another. They help Google understand the structure and hierarchy of your site. Top linking sites. This shows which external sites link to you the most. Top linked page. These are the most linked to pages on your site. Improving site performance. Think of it as a spy day for your website. Improving your website's performance. It's like taking care of the little details that add up to make significant impact. Google Search Console, or GSC, provides the tools and insights you need to pamper your site and boost its health and visibility. Let's explore how you can use GSC to enhance your site's performance. 1. Analyze performance report for opportunities. The performance report in GSC is your starting point. It's not just about looking at your current state, but about finding opportunities for improvement. Identify low-performing pages. Look for pages that have a high number of impressions but low click-through rate. These are pages that appear often in search results but don't seem to attract clicks. Ask yourself, could the page title or meta description be more compelling? Optimize for high-performing queries. Identify which search queries bring the most traffic to your site. Can you optimize these pages further or create additional content around these topics? Discover new keywords. Look for queries where your site is start to rank but hasn't fully capitalized on yet. This could be opportunities to create new content or optimize existing pages. Using the URL inspection tool for page-level insights. The URL inspection tool is like a magnifying glass that lets you zoom in on individual pages to see how Google views them. Check index status. Ensure that your important pages are indexed. If they are not, you can request indexing directly from this tool. View crawled page content. See how Googlebot sees your page. This can help you identify if important content is missing or if there are issues with JavaScript rendering. Mobile usability. Check if the page is mobile friendly. With the increasing importance of mobile search, ensuring every page is optimized for mobile is crucial. Addressing issues in coverage report. The coverage report is where you identify and fix issues that might be hindering your site's performance. Fix errors and warnings. Prioritize fixing any errors or warnings that GSC flags. These could range from 404 errors, page not found, to server errors which can negatively impact your site's user experience and search performance. Understand and resolve exclusions. Some pages are excluded from indexing intentionally, like those with no index tag, but others might be excluded due to issues. Understanding why pages are excluded can help you make informed decisions about whether to take action. Enhancing mobile usability. The mobile usability report is critical in today's mobile-first world. It highlights issues that might be affecting how your site performs on mobile devices. Responsive design. Ensure your site uses responsive design so it looks good and functions well on all devices. Fix usability issues. Address any problems like texts that are too small, elements too close together, or viewport configuration issues. Utilizing the links report for backlinks and internal links strategies. The links report provides valuable insight into how your site is linked internally and externally. Analyze external links. Understand which sites are linking to you and which pages they link to. High-quality backlinks can significantly boost your site's authority and ranking. Refine internal linking. Internal links help distribute page authority through your site and guide users and search engines to your most important pages. Ensure your key pages are adequately linked internally. Leveraging the sitemaps report. If you have submitted a sitemap, the sitemap reports help you understand how Google is processing it. Monitor sitemap status. Check if your sitemap is successfully processed and if there are any issues. Update sitemaps regularly. Keep your sitemap updated with new pages or changes to ensure Google can easily find and index your content.